Oh my god, that's warm. Oh. Cars in the summer. I never had my car in the summer. I first got it in September last year, and it wasn't nearly this warm. So now I'm going to pick Lewis up, who you saw many TaxiMans ago.
I said both.
Is it a kite?
You said both. Joe, too fast.
Oh, we'll go for that. And we're going for a haircut in Stratford because my hair's got longer than I've had it for a while. It just blows out mildly colder air than the air itself around it. Right, let me see what he's doing. Your whole attire is the worst decision for a hot day.
I don't own any other clothes other than black.
Black jeans, very insulated shoes.
So comfy.
Yeah, to be fair, that is true, isn't it?
We're just getting some fresh air. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
I don't think Declan knows what to do, but he's just getting ready.
What car are you driving down to Cornwall, this one?
Yeah. So it's going to be a fun one.
You're not going to get the Skoda?
Yeah, they're taking the Skoda. There's too many of us to...
What about the 4x4?
What?
Why don't you take the 4x4?
It's not a 4x4.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean.
Looks it.
Yeah, but why don't you take that?
It's shit. It's not shit, but it's just shit.
So I'll see this episode of TaxiMan in about 5 years.
Yeah.
I need to tell Dan we're going to town. I'm useless at this whole organising thing.
Take me out pictures, huh?
Joe, what?
I've got progressively more shit at parking.
I was going to say, you used to be sick at parking.
Yeah.
Third time lucky.
I'm unconscious.
Nah, it's still awful. I'm joking.
No, it isn't.
Fucking hell, Joe. What are you doing, you move?
Yeah.
Joe.
What the fuck?
Where's all this come from?
I can't see. I thought he was going to let me out then.
I thought both of them were going to let you out.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm
go.
coming in here, so fuck the rest of you.
To be fair, you just feel it, don't you?
What?
Like, that you need to... You know when you're not in first gear, because you just have to put more on the gas and hold the clutch lock with it.
Yeah.
Now we're on a red bastard.
Whoa, you fucking... Oh my god.
What the fuck? People are idiots. Why have you got your foot on the clutch?
Because I'm in gear.
Yeah, but you're a handbrake on.
Right. If I take this off, I'm going to restore.
You are?
So I'm in gear.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You're out of hand.
I'm ready.
Why don't you just get out of gear?
I'm ready to set off.
Yeah, but it's a green there. It's a green arrow.
Fuck off. I wasn't ready for that.
How much MG is in that?
Might be 6.
Fuck me. It was died. That's it. How do you do that?
Nicotine addiction, mate. Ever heard of it before?
That's going off, mate. I can't use that. No, it's a fat woman.
Fat woman eating fatty chips.
That's why I have to have an Fiesta Eco Boost to get that extra power.
Petrol power.
Joe, it's so sticky.
Yeah, it's quite warm as well, isn't it?
I can't eat these. Goodbye rubbish.
No. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I put it neatly on the floor. It's biodegradable. Oh, if you did have an actual Dad, if you did like...
Yeah. I should make a compilation of people opening the glove box and being surprised.
Dude, that is shocking though.
It's shit.
Here's Maui.
No, hold on. Fuck.
I broke it, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
She is fit.
Who? What?
I'll sing. Oh yeah! Hello.
I've seen it.
Bold.
Stuck in your
28 degrees. Fuck off. I can't deal with anything other than 12.
So we turn it over and over again. This will be the last time. Never gonna play again.
Put in gear.
No. No, you can't. No, you can't.
Then, literally use it as a hat to like hide you from the sun.
If that's on my head, I'll fuck you up.
Oh no, it's not. Here you go, Liz.
Oh, cheers, mate.
This is so not fun.
Anybody want a glove box? Where's your parcel shelf, man?
I got rid of it.
What?
So you don't fucking need a parcel shelf, do you?
I do. Parcels.
Who the fuck puts parcels on top of their boots instead of pushing it in their boot?
Who the fuck has a broken glove box?
Who the fuck has a man bun?
A lot of people.
What?
Pick a gear.
Any gear?
Yeah.
That's fair.
Fuel efficient, my friend.
Oh, I felt that. We still in fifth? Yep, we are indeed.
This is a weird system. Who do I give way to?
Them.
Because I don't know where they're going.
Now, it's flooring. And now. Oh god, when am I going?
What is he doing?
I'm getting out before I set on fire, mate. It's grievous.
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
And knock your door off, I can in between us.
Hello.
Damn, it's so hot.
Yeah, I'm not going. Oh, yo, okay. Oh, I actually can't get out.
Who that girl? Flow rider.
Hey, Miss Red Carpet. She can autograph my
One accent tune. Might do what? I might do what he's doing. Yeah.
I've got horses, mate. Hey.
Yeah, it's a proper horse field now, isn't it?
Is that electric though?
No, that's barbed. Can't say for the other side though. I mean, but there's snakes and shit this time of year.
What?
There'll be snakes this heat. It's fine unless it's an adder. They're
What,
poisonous.
python?
They'll get python.
Or one of them Mexican flying snakes come out of the sky that you'll enjoy. It's just chill. Whoa! Do you know how to drive?
That's your
Yeah,
black box
parked.
score, fuck.
Why?
Do you have any antihistamine in your car? You do? Oh,
Guess when you remember when you gave me that?
yeah. Cheers, man.
I never used it. I've always had one before I come out.